Morning YouTube, this is Chuck General with the CNS Mining and Manufacturing for another video on trying to help us get around with our equipment. What you're seeing on my cutting table is some 1/2-inch square tube 06 wall and a piece of 1/2-inch EMT conduit at the top. And what this is going to be is one carrying handle for the motor and pump. I've got wheels that I put on mine and a handle, but there's sometimes that you can't use that. You have to have something else where two people can carry it down a hillside or something like that. So I'm going to make two of these handles, and as I proceed, this is kind of a seat of the pants one. I'm doing it off the top of my head, but I think this square frame is going to work as and where the conduit is will be the top of the handle, and where the bottom is here. There's going to be two tabs, one comes in at each side, and it will have a stud on it that will go through the motor plate on both sides, and just a wing nut to spin up on it real quick so one can grab one handle, one grab the other, and off you go. So I'll show you as we go how this is going to work out. Okay, the next step is going to be to split this piece of 1/2-inch EMT conduit. I'm just using a cut-off wheel. And we'll see if I can get it split so it will fit over top of the 1/2-inch square tube. Okay, that's split relatively well. It's extremely hot, so get out of this vise at the welding table. And now it should, with a little force, it will fit right over top of that. So let me spread that a little bit and I'll be right back. Okay, I got these both split, and what we're going to do now is just slide them over, which will be the upper end of the bar, and got them so they'll be centered. And what that'll be is just a nice comfortable grip for your hand. And so we'll weld the top side so it won't be in the way, because you'll be lifting from the bottom of this handle. So this will be the handle and the two uprights will be here. So I'm going to tack these real quick, and we'll go on from there. Just a little warning here on the galvanized, guys. It's really poisonous, and you don't want to breathe it. So either weld with holding your breath, or drink a lot of milk afterwards, because it will make you sick. So I'm just going to tack across the top here. I'll leave the camera on for this. As you can see, it's really smoky, so I'm going to kick on our fans. Get this out of here because I don't want to feel that. Okay, let me weld this other side. Now I'll just go in between those welds. So there it is. It's all tack welded across the top, and I'll just do a little grind on it and it'll be fine. That'll be the top side, you'll grab from the bottom. Okay, the handles are about ready. Just need a little bit of grinding on the corners and on where I split the tubing. I'm going to do that now, and then we'll build tabs for the bottom. Okay, this is what the handle is going to look like. What I got to do now is build a tab, and this is going to be about 1-inch strap iron and about 2 to 2.5. Well, we'll go off the back. 2.5 inch to center. So I'll cut them 2 straps and get ready to show you how that's going to mount. Okay, I just cut these straps out of 1-inch strap iron. I got them laid out to drill the holes. So I'm going to take them over to the drill press, drill these out, and then we'll bring them back, see how they line up, and make sure that when we weld them, everything's straight. Okay, what I did here, I drilled out this 1-inch strap iron to 5/16. This is a 5/16 by 1. Then just took and did 3 spots on there on the bolt to keep it from twisting. Did it on all 4. These will go on the bottom of the 1/2-inch tube. And if you look over here, it'll fit in here. And then what we'll do is we'll put a wing nut, 5/16 wing nut on the bottom, and just spin it on, and you're done. Pick it up and off you go. So that's the theory behind this. So we'll see after I get the brackets welded on there. Now, a lot of these, like this plate, have this rubber foot. Now, none of my plates have that. I've taken those off. One's on my motor plate, and it's bolted right to the frame, so I don't need the rubber feet. And the other one's on my 4-inch floating, and it doesn't need it because it bolts to the frame. So this is for strictly a motor where you need to pick it up and carry it. It doesn't have those legs, or if you want to take those off and use it that way. Okay, there it is, all done. Came out pretty good. I used these longer bolts to see if they would clear the rubber on the bottom, the rubber bumper, and they do. You can still leave these on and use the lift. I mean, the person on each side, you can carry 60, 80 pounds pretty easy. Okay, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.